So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number. Then guys type HP DeskJet 4122 all in one. So if detect operating system, by default it is okay, but sometimes it's not detect, so you just click to choose operating system which you using, select this, then click to update. Okay, scroll down. So you can see this is first software and driver, this is actual software. So all the required driver download via this software. Okay, and this is diagnostics tool, and this is actual offline driver include in this setup. This is firmware, you can see this is firmware. If you have updated like that, you just click to download on this button. And okay, so try to install this one, click to download, wait few seconds, it will start. After downloading we will install it. After completed, just single click to open. Then click to yes. Continue. Yes. Okay, continue. So you can see this is wireless and USB. So if you are already connected to wireless, so select this and then continue. So okay, like that, and then find via IP address. So It 100% do where you know about your printer IP address. And second is installed by USB cable. Okay, you can come back USB when you connect laptop to your printer by printer USB cable, so it will be next automatically to install it. Thank you.